Today we will be unboxing Barbie Dreamtopia Sparkle Lights Mermaid. This doll is recommended for ages 3 and up. This doll is made by Mattel. Here it shows you can press the doll for swimming, motion, and lights. Or you can dip in water to activate lights. So let's get this doll out of the box. The doll out of the box. Her hair is so silky and it's blonde with pink streaks. She has a blue crown with stars on it. Her top is painted on, it's pink, and then there's this necklace that's gold and it has stars, and then there's this blue part of her tail with stars on it. And then it goes into a clear purple and more stars. We've got purple stars, blue stars, and yellow stars. Then here's the bottom of her towel where you can actually feel it like it's fabric. And there's like painted on sequins. If you press the sides of her towel moves like it's swimming and it lights up.
Her arms can go back and forth,
out, and her head can turn.
Time to see the doll in water. Bye! Subscribe for more videos.